We are just going to walk through a very brief tutorial, an example for CBT that was created for Tara A. McCallum Incorporated. This is color and perception, how colors can affect perception. One of the things that you'll notice is on the bottom right hand side, you'll see a forward and a backward button listed, and you will see a highlighted green box around that forward and backward button. And this demonstration is just for Tara A. McCallum Incorporated. And this is an example of just a quick CBT that was created based upon color and perception. So what you see now, or what you're seeing now, is preview the project, and this is actually within Captivate, and it's generating the Swift file. One of the things that you'll notice is on the bottom right hand side, you will see a green box that is highlighted with the forward and backward buttons listed within them. Can colors affect mood? How about perception? And of course, we're just walking through the CBT using the forward button. And just notice the pictures as we're going through. And this CBT is really just centered around being able to recognize and observe based upon color. So, how do you think you did? What did you notice? Just take a few moments, think about all the pictures that you saw of the offices. Um, what really stood out to you? Would you be able to point out if something changed? And remember that color can change your perception. So we're going to go ahead and continue to click forward. And as we're clicking forward, just make sure that you continue to look at the pictures. Notice any changes as we continue to go forward. This time, what did you notice? Was everything the exact same when you went back to look at the pictures? So take a look at these pictures and see how color might have affected your perception. And what you'll see is what was special about this particular picture. Notice there is a hint when you take your cursor and you hover over the box. And your answer is how many times, your hint is how many times did you click submit? 3 times. And you'll notice it does say correct, and it gives you that feedback. Take a look at this picture. Were you able to see what's wrong with this picture? And if you place your mouse over the area, you'll notice that the young woman is listed there. She was hidden before, but she is now listed. So we'll continue to go forward. And there is a little quiz listed there. I really don't remember. And you hit submit, and it gives you your immediate feedback. Just continue to take a look at the pictures as we move forward. And was this an office? I suppose you answered the previous question with that this was an office. But you'll notice that this picture obviously was not an office. Just take a moment to see the difference between the two slides, and really how much did color play a role or affect your perception. Notice that there was a portion of it that changed. And again, we just end and conclude the video with thank you for your time today. So that is just a basic example of a CBT on color and perception